Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome to our channel again at Adventure with Us with Sands and Tams. And today we're on another adventure with our family. We are here at the Regent Park in London, and this is part of the Royal Parks. And we've been waiting to go to this park for a long time during the summer. Now it's October, and we finally made it. And we're just going to show you inside of the park and all the natural beauty and scenery there is to explore. And it's one of the popular parks in London. It's very beautiful. And this is outside the entrance, so the gate is so nice. Love the design. And as we enter the park, we just can smell the roses. And here's a map of the park. This park is very big. It has many entrances and many gardens to explore, so it's easy to get lost. We're just amazed to see a field full of roses, and there's so many varieties and colors, and we're going to show you around the rose garden. We wish that we came earlier because the flowers are not looking as fully bloomed as it would in the summer, but still it's not bad. We can still find a lot of flowers here. Look at all the different colored roses: yellow, red, bright pink, light pink. And there's people here on the deck chairs admiring the views and relaxing. This is my favorite. I just love this color. Doesn't that look beautiful? This is called Dorothy House. So all the flower beds have different names. It's quite interesting that they thought of really cute names. There is a cafe as well, which is very nice for refreshments, having tea, coffee, cake, and just grabbing a drink. So that's quite nice. Just sit there when you're tired. My mum's having a rest here, while us two sisters are just walking around the park. And now we are entering Queen Mary's Garden. This looks a bit like Hampton Court and does remind me of Bridgerton and some movie places. And the Queen Mary Garden is a scent of 12,000 jewel-like roses filling the air. And, you know, there's a lot of history, so you understand why poet Sylvia Plath described it as the Wonderland. So it has a vibrant floral display that wrap around historic fountains and ornate planters. So it's a really peaceful walk here. And this part does remind me of a scene in Bridgerton. I think it's the first part. Quite a historic look.
দেখতে হইব টোটাল কত মিনিট হইস 5 মিনিট হইব নাই মানে ভিডিওর কথা কইয়া
And now we are walking along the bridge and entering the rose garden. This is my favorite part. My sister Tans is very excited as she herself has studied about plants. This plant bed says take it easy. That's one of my favorite. It's so interesting how they named the different flower beds. Quite creative. It smells so amazing. And here's a lake as well on one side. A lot of natural views. So we're just having a look around the garden and seeing what the different roses they have here.
এটা দেখছি এটা बाबा एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं अभी जाए ना कि लैंडस्केप हम लोग बहुत जाए बहुत डिस्क्राइब बड़ा हार अभी रोज गार्डन हम ऐसे हम रहा देखिए একটু পিছে পিছে কারিশমা আইছে ও একটা লাগে থলি আদি ইয়াল্লা এগুর ক্যামেরা হয়ে গেল হ্যাঁ দেখতে রাইতে না Aku dah silain, kita ni. Blue for you. একটা সুন্দর আছে फनी साउंड तो सुना जा ये क्या बात है मतलब फोटो तुली
now we are going up the stairs to see the waterfall from the top view, and there's a really cute squirrel here. I hope you enjoyed the tour of Regent Park, and I hope you do visit this park. It's an amazing park. See you next time. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and video. We'll see you soon next time, and we'll go to a different park. Bye.